financial hardship, there might be things that we can do. There might be things that they're eligible for that they don't know about. But opening up, all that'll do is get you a fine. It won't get you any takings. It won't get you any profit. That'll just get you a pretty hefty fine, and it has to be that way.
One of the tests for a democracy is what is called the town square test. Can a person go to their local town square?
I think it gets here at about 11:30.
Where are we?
Without fear
Who's this dude?
Oh, look here!
Who's that?
even death.
What's that here? I've never seen a rat nest that big.
And particularly in the case of dictatorships, the focus has been on the personality of the dictator.
We will be ready to make sure.
You want freedom? Ask for that freedom.
Freedom necessarily involves acting supposedly for our own good, but actually acting for their own good.
I haven't seen the vision, but I have heard about the issue.
You haven't seen the vision?
No, I haven't seen the vision.
There are Liberals and their hangers-on involved and engaged with these campaigns. Their politics rarely reaches for solutions. They much prefer to play on fear and misinformation, hence their decades of climate change denialism. I, for one, am not going to be threatened by a right-wing nationalist conspiracy-tinged campaign.
The dictator.
This is not about human rights. It's not about human rights.
The masses are kept in their places in dictatorships through the power of ideology. Its role is to keep the elite ruling group cohesive, so that they, through their cohesion, can use force to keep the masses in their places. I have found that actually, if you get to know the people, most of them know very well what is going on, and they are not fooled by the ideology. They know very well that they live in corrupt dictatorships. What prevents the people from rising up against the government is simply the guns held to their heads.